Before we dive into today's culinary adventure, we want to issue a viewer's discretion warning. The following video contains graphic scenes involving the preparation of a sheep head and hooves. If you are a sensitive viewer or find such content disturbing, we strongly advise you to walk away or skip this video. We understand that these visuals may not be suitable for everyone, and your well-being is our priority. For those who choose to stay, we appreciate your curiosity and hope you find the cooking process and cultural insight intriguing. Thank you for understanding now, and let's get back to the kitchen. Today we have something quite unique and adventurous on the menu. We recently went to a farm abattoir hoping to score some beef offals. Unfortunately, luck wasn't on our side, but they did have sheep offals available. The catch? Well, we had to take the whole package: sheep, head, hooves, and the whole shebang. So here we are, faced with a freezer full of sheep parts that we've been avoiding for a while until our freezer was empty. But we summoned the courage to dive into the world of preparing a sheep head, or as it's known in South Africa, Intloko or Skaapkop. Step 1. We started by defrosting the whole package by using cold water and set them on a dry rack to work on it. Step 2. We started off by carefully shaving off hairs using a razor. It's essential to get a smooth surface for what's to come. For the upper part of the head, there was a lot of hair. We had to open flame to remove the hairs to make it easy for the razor to move. The work was quite intense, as this was not as easy as it looked. We had to use a total of 3 razor blades so we can make the head clean. The skin is the most part that will be edible, so it had to be clean as possible. We shaved the hooves as well. This is the last hoof. Step 3. Now for that extra touch, we had an open flame to remove any leftover hairs. The process not only ensures cleanliness, but it also imparts a unique flavor to the meat. Once we had got our sheep head and feet nice and clean, washing them thoroughly using mealie ensures any stubborn hairs are removed. It's like using sandpaper. cleaned and prepared sheep head and hooves, it's time to move on to the cooking process. We are throwing them into the pressure cooker with a generous amount of lamb spice. This will infuse the meat with incredible flavors and make it pour off the bone tender. Alternatively, you can throw it in a big pot and boil on the stove until it is As we were about to cook, we realized the hooves bottom needed to be removed as they didn't look right to cook. We had to stop recording, remove them, washed off the spices, and then we torched and scraped it off. Torching them helps remove the outer layers and reveal the pristine inner part. It's all about taking the time to ensure every part of the sheep is prepared just right. We set the pressure cooker to 59 minutes, which is almost like an hour, and when it was done, the meat was simply falling off. This was an indication that it was ready. And there you have it, from the farm abattoir to our table, a deliciously unique South African dish. Cooking a sheep head seems intimidating, but with a bit of courage and the right techniques, it's a culinary adventure worth taking. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell for more exciting culinary experiences. Until next time, happy cooking.